Hello everyone! Today I would like to take a moment to introduce someone very special to me, my mother. Her name is Jamila. She is 58 years old this year, and she is a wonderful and caring housewife, being a housewife. She has dedicated her life to taking care of our family, making sure everything at home runs smoothly, which is a lovely area known for its cool climate and beautiful scenery. One of my mother's greatest passion is gardening. She absolutely loves spending time in the garden, especially planting flowers. It's something that not only brings her joy, but also help relax after a long day. It makes her really happy and peaceful. In addition to gardening, my mother also enjoys cooking. She often prepares delicious meals for the family, and we all love her cooking. It's one of the many ways she shows her love and care for us. She has taught me so much about love, passion, and resilience, and I am very grateful to have her as my mother. That's a little bit about my mother. Thank you for listening.
Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye now. Bye. Bye-bye.